How can you merge cells inside Google Sheets? Hey guys, welcome back to another Sheetify tutorial. Today's focus is to walk you through how you can simply merge cells inside Google Sheets. Here I am inside my Google Sheets CRM template. If you're interested in learning more about our all-in-one Google Sheets business templates, I will add the relevant resources down below in the description. Okay, let's navigate down to the sheet that I just created, and let's go ahead and add some content inside this cell. As you can see, I quickly added text inside the cell. Now let's say I wanted to merge these three cells. What we can do is simply highlight the cells that you want to merge, then navigate up to this merge icon and simply click here. As you can see, those cells have been merged. Let's make this row larger. Hey, just quickly before we get back into this tutorial, if you're getting value from this video, please drop a like and subscribe. This means a lot to me and ultimately helps us reach and help more small business owners across YouTube. Thank you in advance, and with that quick note, let's jump back into this video. And let's look into the other method. I'm going to go ahead and merge these three cells by navigating up to Format, then come down to Merge Cells and click on Merge All. And as you can see, those three rows have been merged together. I'm going to add some content and hit Enter. Now I'm going to go ahead, click here, and add a border. I'm going to add this border here, and I'm going to do the same with these merged cells. Navigate up to Border, and this outer border. What we can also do is format each of these cells in terms of the content arrangement. To do that, navigate up to Format, then Alignment, and choose where you want to position the content inside your cells. Again, I'm going to navigate up to Format, Alignment, and then Middle. And I'm going to quickly change the color, and I'm happy with this. And as you can see, just like that, those are two methods that you can use to merge cells together inside of Google Sheets. I've also showed you how to quickly change the alignment. Again, if you're interested in learning more about our Google Sheets Sheetify business toolkits that we built for small businesses, you can check those out down below in the description. If you got value from this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.